In this video, we will compare two powerful desktop processors, the Intel Core i9-12900KF and the AMD Ryzen 5 5500. The i9-12900KF is a high-end CPU designed for gaming and demanding applications, boasting 16 cores and a boost clock speed of up to 5.2 GHz. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5 5500 is a mid-range processor that offers excellent performance for its price, featuring 6 cores and a boost clock speed of up to 4.2 GHz. We will explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9-12900KF stands out with its hybrid architecture, featuring 16 cores that provide exceptional gaming performance and multitasking capabilities. Its boost clock speed of up to 5.2 GHz allows it to handle demanding applications with ease. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500, while still a solid performer, has 6 cores and a boost clock speed of up to 4.2 GHz. This makes it suitable for gaming and general use, but it may struggle with more intensive tasks compared to the i9-12900KF. Overall, for users seeking top-tier performance, the i9-12900KF is the clear winner. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two processors. The Intel Core i9-12900KF comes with a hefty price tag of $676, which may be prohibitive for casual users. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 is priced at a more budget-friendly $159, making it an attractive option for those looking for good performance without breaking the bank. For users on a tight budget, the Ryzen 5 5500 offers an excellent price-to-performance ratio, while the i9-12900KF is aimed at enthusiasts willing to invest in high-end performance. Power consumption is another critical aspect to consider. The Intel Core i9-12900KF has a thermal design power (TDP) of 125 W, which means it requires more power and may generate more heat, necessitating a robust cooling solution. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 has a lower TDP of 65 W, making it more energy efficient and easier to cool. For users looking to build a system with lower power requirements, the Ryzen 5 5500 is the better choice. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i9-12900KF and the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for top-tier performance and don't mind the higher price and power consumption, the i9-12900KF is an excellent choice. However, if you're on a budget and need a capable processor for gaming and everyday tasks, the Ryzen 5 5500 offers great value. Remember to consider your specific needs and workload when making your decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.